Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I cover how you can add staff user and update staff user. So let's get started and work on this tutorial. And also if you are new to channel, please subscribe our channel and please like the video. So back to VS Code and open your app, open admin URLs and here simply copy the merchant user path. After that staff user paste your URLs, remove it, adding comma, then change it to, so selecting all the merchant, select all the merchant, change it to staff and here staff, staff and staff. Save this file, open your merchant user and let's copy the code for merchant user create, update. Let's copy it, create, update and list view. So let's see, list view, create view and update view. Copy all this code, come to bottom, paste it. After that select this merchant user, so select merchant user, select all merchant user and change it to staff user. So let's see what is the model name, staff user, so paste it. After that let's check first list view, staff user, so we need to import staff user. So let's see, import staff user, again come to bottom, so first list view, change it to staff, staff underscore list. After that staff user dot object, first name, last name, email, username, which is perfect, staff user list view, perfect, staff user. So list view has been done, staff user create view, change it to staff create and here custom user, first name, last name, email and password. After that form valid and user type. So let's see what is the user type for staff user, which is 2, so change it to 2, profile pic, perfect. So I think we don't need company name. Let's see the field name in staff user, only profile pic. So remove this 3 data added by admin, remove it, remove all this, only we need staff user dot profile. Make sure here staff user must be in small. After that let's see, next is update view, so staff update, again context staff user, And also here same thing, profile pic, perfect, profile pic done. Here change it to small letters, staff user, and we don't need to set company GST added by admin. All this remove it, staff user updated, staff list, save it, staff update, staff user created. So all has been done. Let's see one more thing. Here everything has been done. After that, let's create the template page. So let's create template page. So first let's create staff list. So right click, admin template, staff list .html, and just copy the code of merchant user list. So merchant list, copy it, close it, paste it, and select it. Everywhere where you see merchant user, select it, change it to staff user, and here capitalize it, capitalize it, capitalize it. Staff list filter, and here sort by newest and username, also adding the first name. So first underscore name. Let's remove this newest. After that, save this file. Let's check these things. Staff user.profile pic, which is perfect. And username, then name. I think we don't need GST details, so remove it. Company data, remove it. Address, remove it. Added by admin, remove it. All has been done. Designation, which is perfect. So everything has been done. Save this file. Now let's create the page for staff create. So staff create dot html, and again copy the code of merchant create, paste it in staff create, close this page. Merchant, select all merchant, staff, change it to staff, and staff. Save this file, and we don't need company address, so remove this company GST and address. I think we don't need address. Let's check. We don't need address. Okay, so remove it. Is added by admin, remove it. Add staff user, save it, save it. After that, work on update page. So right click, new file, staff update.html. Again copy the code of merchant update, copy it, paste it, select it, select all the merchant, staff, and here capitalize it, and capitalize it. After that, staff user.profile pic, profile image, and we don't need company again, so remove company, GST address, and is added by admin, so remove it. Save staff user, save this file. Now after that, let's link this whole URL in our sidebar. So open sidebar. After that, let's copy the URL of merchant, paste it, staff user URLs. Let's select it, select it, select it, select it, select everything. So all selected. Stop. Change the menu title. So staff user, add staff user list. Save this file, back to Chrome, refresh page, click on staff user, add staff user. Let's try to add staff user. So staff 1 last. Now adding email ID. So staff1@gmail.com, staff1 username, staff1 password. Now selecting the file. So profile pic will be, let's select it, click on save staff user, and you can see staff user has been created, but it redirects me to merchant user page. So let's see what is the problem. So here staff user create view, after adding staff underscore list, save it, back to Chrome, again come to staff user, add staff user, adding a new staff. So staff 2 last, staff2@gmail.com, staff2 profile pic, again selecting the profile pic, this one, click on save staff user, and you can see here 2 staff user has been added. Now after that, if I try to sort, you can see, let's try to search, it is working. Now let's work on edit. So let's see, click on edit, and it is showing something error, 498 line number. So 498, it should be staff user, save it, refresh page, and you can see it is working. Now here in edit page, do one thing, remove the password option, save it, and also remove it, save it, refresh page, and you can see it is working. So update, it is showing error 517. So 517, again it should be staff user variable, not object name. Save it, go back, refresh page, update 1, enter, and you can see it's updated. Let's remove it, update, you can see it's get updated. So our staff user has been completed. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like our video and please subscribe our channel. And also if you have any questions, please do comment, and also you can support me on Patreon